And that's why I'm getting a quad lock. Phone is falling off. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pete. They call me Scooby. Today we're going to be talking about the quad lock cell phone case, quad lock motorcycle mount, and let's get into this. And the vibration dampener. Too bad they didn't offer this in a ball mount, because I would have loved to utilize this bracket here. Let's talk about this quad lock, right? It's got the little X over here and the cross over there. You got to turn it sideways to get that in there, turn it, and the blue locks it into place. Ready? Now you have it vertical, right? That's awesome. Now suppose you want to use it for GPS. You can actually keep spinning it and lock it the other way. Like that you can have the GPS this way, like that you can see the roads. That's how I like to have it when I use the GPS. I haven't used it on the bike, but I've used it on my truck. Oh yes, Quad Lock does offer one of these little stick-on things for the truck. So now we're going to talk about the Quad Lock going into your vehicle, because you know, we all like universal stuff. It would be kind of silly to spend about $100 or so on a thing just for the motorcycle, right? So I don't know if any of you all own a GMC. This is a GMC Sierra. It's very, don't mind the mess, but it's very hard to get a spot for a cell phone mount. There wasn't that many options for this vehicle as far as for a cell phone holder. So and then I was like, I wonder if Quad Lock actually has anything for a vehicle. So I found this little sticky doodad thing. Can you see that? No, you cannot. Let me shine a light on there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says Quad Lock on it. And it's just a little simple adhesive jig. So this here, you simply go in there, find your spot, and it locks into place. All right, so with a vehicle in drive, that's completely out of the way. So here's my view, and I can see my phone perfectly. And if I want to do GPS or whatever, let me go into the maps, right? Suppose I want to do GPS, I could flip it over and it locks into place, you know. And it's a great, yeah, I was checking a route to go to Florida. Yeah, that won't happen. But anyway, so like I could be driving, and that's in perfect view. That's awesome, because I've been looking for a phone mount for this truck since I bought it. But having it right there is a great option. So there you have it. As you saw, fairly easy install. Couple of screws. It comes with a Loctite. You adjust it to where you want it. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.